Hi, it's Jason's Jungle. I'm going to be lifting more of my spuds today, and also a bit of a disaster. My outdoor toms got blighted. So I've still got quite a few of my spuds to come out. So I'm not going to be lifting them all, or I doubt I'll lift them all, and I'm not able to lift them on camera because my battery's not that charged. So I'll get on with lifting these first, then I'll show you what I've got. I've emptied out 8 buckets, and this is what I've got so far. I've got another, I think, 8 buckets to go of the random ones that were in the fridge, in the bottom of the fridge, or the potato bag, and we'll see how much they get, but I'm not doing them today. So I'll take these home, and now we'll stick them into the tent to harden off. These were only bush tomatoes. They've been pulled off, stuck into buckets to got rid of. They'll compost down. The blight won't survive the compost. It needs living tissue, so this will all go into my compost. And what I'll probably do, throw the compost from the buckets onto this bed, and get some garlic in later on in the year. Outside I've also got some crimson crush, and they don't seem to be showing any signs of blight, which is good because they're blight resistant. So hopefully these will ripen up and give us a reasonable crop. We've got quite a few tomatoes on them. Just need them to go red. Unfortunately the sunshine we're getting is liquid. So we'll see how these goes. So I am a bit gutted about losing all the tomatoes there in that bed. I managed to take 10.5 pounds of green tomatoes off them, and I've got them in the freezer at the moment, and I'll process them into chutney or something, or pickles or something later on. But I'll get something from them. I just would have liked a lot more, because they had loads of flower on them that were starting to form tomatoes, and I would have, if they'd managed to survive, I would have hopefully had a great crop in September. But c'est la vie. Anyway, I hope you like this, and I will see you on my next video.